Hey there, silly bear! Nowadays, it takes a lot for an anime to pique my interest enough for me to watch it. The Promised Neverland happened to be one of those rare new ones that I binged all the way through. So you could imagine how excited I was to receive an Emma commission and work on the best girl. Before I get into the tutorial, here is my obligatory please like and subscribe spiel. And turn on that notification bell. I'm a YouTuber, I guess. I'm using an Assist Basic Plus in Orange 21. To get the fibers to naturally swoosh upwards, violently shake the base upside down and heat set the fibers with a steam gun. Flip the wig upright after the fibers have cooled. Part the wig to your right side and heat set the fibers to permanently face in that direction. This specific wig base doesn't have an extra long strand of hair in the back for Emma's curl because why would it? But I'm a cheapo and refuse to buy wefts if I don't have to, so I harvest wefts from deep within the long bangs to transplant them to the back and to the top for her ahoge. Hot glue or sew, like anyone's gonna sew, your wefts into the portion of the cap where you want the ahoge to be, and in the back where you want the extra long curl to be. See? No extra wefts were needed! Separate each individual curl and spike before you begin any cutting or spraying. It's better to have a plan than realize halfway through that you didn't leave yourself enough fiber for the rest of the spikes. It's not like I'm speaking from experience or anything. I'm totally speaking from experience. Heat set the base of the ahoge fibers to stand straight up. Lightly hairspray the base and blow dry it to fortify the structure. With the base strong enough to stand upright, begin shaping the ahoge. Split it into 2 sections, trim them to length, hairspray, and blow dry. We're going to add some more fibers to the area later, so leave it for now. Time for, well, the rest of the actual wig. Tease the spike's root slightly for volume and shape its body with a steam gun. Trim it to length, hairspray, and blow dry. Be sure to save some of your longer trimmings for later. Follow these exact same steps for the rest of the wig. For the sideburns, trim and hairspray them so they fall forward on the face. Emma's side bangs curl inwards towards the face, so heat set them inwards. You can use pins to hold the fiber shape in place as they cool. Would have been nice to film that part for this video, but what you gonna do, am I right? While you're styling each individual spike, pay attention to the overall silhouette of the wig. It should look spiky and full from all angles. One way to do this is to make your spikes curve at a 45-degree angle so they keep their body no matter which way you turn. Oh look! See? Pins to shape the side bangs! Good, so I did film it. I don't really feel like re-recording anything, so yeah. When you trim, make sure you're cutting in an up-down motion to avoid choppy edges. This is actually one of my backlog tutorials, and most of those, as you might have noticed, have really bad lighting. I literally had box lights this entire time, and I forgot about them until my more recent styling jobs. So sorry for the really poopy camera quality and garbage settings making it hard to see. I finally have a proper workstation and lighting system, and an actual tripod attachment so my arm won't get in the way of the footage all the time, so thanks for your patience with me. Woo! All done! Time for her back thing. Seriously, Emma, get a haircut. Use a steam gun or iron to elevate the fibers and curl them. Hairspray and blow dry. Just like with the ahoge, separate the fibers into 2 parts. Trim, hairspray, and blow dry. I blow dried them facing upwards so the part would be visible from the side. Now let's circle back to the ahoge. Normally just heat setting and hairspraying the fibers won't be strong enough to weather several cons, but I'm going to show you my twist and cover method. Hairspray and pinch the fibers a little just so they get tacky and hard. Then twist, twist, twist. Heat up the fibers so they set in their twist. Reshape the parts since they've probably gotten hecked up from all the twisting. Gee, thanks for autofocusing on the decorative pillows, camera. My audience was dying to see the stitching details. Hot glue some of your saved trimmings to the twist and blend the fibers into the parted portion. I lightly hairspray the trimmings before application to get them solid enough for hot glue, but malleable enough for placement. The last step is to add the gradient. I first layer a soft cream yellow to act as my primer for the entire area. Be sure to spray from a distance of at least 3 feet or 1 meter for a softer application. Then I spray with a brighter yellow for my actual pop of color. You've probably noticed that lighter paint on a darker wig highlights all the flyaways. All you have to do is just trim them off and it'll look fine. For the finishing touch, I spray a pinkish orange that's darker than my wig's fibers on the bottom of the wig. And there she is, Mom's best and brightest. Thanks so much for watching. If there's a style you'd like to see me make a tutorial of, let me know in the comments. I actually read every single one to get a better idea of what everyone wants. Happy styling!